Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the error code in Black Ops 6, which is the 0x887A0005. Right, let's get straight ahead to the steps. The first thing that you need to do here if you are on PC is just go ahead and go to your search bar right here at the bottom left and type in system updates. Alright, once the system setup pops up, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, make sure that you click on check for updates. Now if there are available updates, go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer, boot up the game again and see if it helps. Now if that won't work, you might want to try to update your graphics card drivers. To do so, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, just go ahead and go to the taskbar right here at the bottom right and right click on the NVIDIA icon and open up the NVIDIA app or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. If you have Intel or AMD GPU, just go ahead and look it up online on how to update your respective graphics card drivers. Alright, now going back to NVIDIA, just go ahead and go to the drivers tab right here and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers for your graphics card. If you already have installed it, you may want to try to reinstall it. Just go ahead and try it. Once done, restart the computer, boot up the game, and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, go to your favorite browser and type in DirectX, alright, and hit on enter. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to look for the Microsoft DirectX and User Runtime Web Installer. Click on that. From here, click on download. Once done, follow the prompts on how to install it, and after that, restart the computer, boot up the game, and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, you're going to want to go to the game settings. As you can see here, it is on Warzone, but it will work on Black Ops 6. Now, what you need to do here is to locate the VRM scale target. If yours is set to 61 plus, all right, please change it to 60 or below. All right, for now, just try on 60. Once done, save the changes, play a game, and it should work. Now, what if that won't work? Just go ahead and open up your Steam app if you have the game on Steam. All right, once you're in here, just go to the Steam icon right here at the top left, click on that and go to settings, then go to the downloads tab and make sure to hit on clear cache. All right, wait for the process to finish and don't launch the game yet. Go to the library, locate the game, click on it, right click and hit on properties, go to installed files and simply hit on verify integrity of game files. And after that, restart the computer, launch the game again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.